Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Astronaut in the Ocean by Masked Wolf. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy! So this entire song is made with a single riff. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. For this, we're going to start on an open E string. Then you're going to mute it. Then 3rd fret, low E string. Then mute it. Then 2nd fret, low E string. Mute it. Then you're going to do that whole thing again. Then 5th fret, low E string. And it repeats, and I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Astronaut in the Ocean. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Thanks.